Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today will be another DIY video. This video is a part of a challenge that is hosted by Marika, and her channel is Marika's Creation, and her co-host for this month is Elizabeth from Dandy Soap DIY. These ladies are both dear friends to me. The channels are amazing. They are wonderful creators. All the link about them will be provided in the description below. But the challenge is Marika asked us to create something that represents daily things. So I have created this wonderful DIY that I would like to share with you. So if you would like to know how I made this, please continue watching. Okay guys, for this project we'll be using the foam wreath from a Dollar Tree. Then I have 2 buckets of ornaments, and this is from the last year. I got them on clearance after Christmas was over, so I got a silver and gold. And for what I'm planning to do, I want to alternate between silver and gold and get this wreath nothing but ornaments. So for the ornaments to stick better to the wreath, even though you can just use the hot glue, and I am so excited because in this video I will be trying my new limited edition Lynn Lily by Shirt Bonder mini cordless fine point glue gun. So that's so awesome. I finally got it. Can't wait to try it. But back to the wreath, if you can just go around directly to the form, but I wanted to be able for it to stick better, so I'm gonna wrap it with the burlap. You can wrap it with anything, some kind of material, or just go ahead with the plain one if you don't feel like it. But if I want to reuse it or take it off and save the wreath form, this is the way to go. Plus, in my experience, it's better when it sticks to the material instead of straight to the foam. So it's gonna be quick and easy, and I think it's gonna be really pretty decor for your front door or any door, whatever you want to put it on. Well, that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget, there's a playlist linked in the description below with all the wonderful creators who are participating in this challenge. I cannot wait to go watch all the lovely DIY videos and see what they have created for Marika's challenge. But I would like to thank Marika and Elizabeth for hosting this challenge. I enjoy participating. And for me, this is all for today. If you're one of my new people, please don't forget to let me know in the comments below. And if you're one of my returning, thank you so much for coming back. Love you guys very much, and I will see you in my next DIY real soon. Bye for now.